After nearly 5 months behind bars, the Delhi Chief Minister walked out of Tihar jail after getting bail by the Supreme Court today. While he's been bailed, the Delhi Chief Minister is bound because he can't sign any files, nor can he visit the State Secretariat. Meanwhile, the Supreme Court pulled up the CBI, calling Arvind Kejriwal's arrest unjustified. The top court asked the probe agency to rise above suspicion and stop acting like a caged parrot.
Big relief for Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. The Supreme Court on Friday granted him bail in the CBI case in the alleged excise policy scam. The two-judge bench of Justices Surya Kant and Ujjwal Bhuyan was unanimous in the decision to grant bail. The court pointed out the charge sheet has already been filed and the trial is unlikely to be completed soon. The two judges, however, wrote different verdicts. While Justice Surya Kant held Kejriwal's arrest by the CBI to be legal, Justice Ujjwal Bhuyan came down heavily on the central agency. Justice Bhuyan said that the CBI case against Kejriwal was filed on August 17, 2022, but his arrest took place on June 26, 2024. The judge said the CBI did not feel the need to arrest Kejriwal for 22 months. Justice Bhuyan ruled that Kejriwal's arrest appeared strategically timed to frustrate his bail in the Enforcement Directorate case. The judge further urged the CBI to dispel the image of being a caged parrot. Justice Bhuyan stated that the CBI should be like Caesar's wife, above suspicion.
Both the judges of the bench have agreed that yes, he is entitled to bail. As far as the illegal arrest point is concerned, which we had raised before the court, one of the judges, Justice Bhuyan, has passed a separate judgment to say that in fact the arrest itself was illegal. And in fact, since the arrest itself was illegal and there was no necessity to arrest him, he is entitled to bail in the arrest matter also. So it's a very big judgment, and it also comments on the way the CBI has acted in the matter.
The bail conditions are the same as listed by the Supreme Court in the ED case. Kejriwal will have to refrain from public comments on the liquor case. He cannot attend Chief Minister's office and is barred from signing official files, but he can sign files that require to be sent to the LG. He is required to fully cooperate with the trial court. The Aam Aadmi Party mounted a fierce attack on the CBI, accusing the agency of acting under political pressure. Party leaders demanded the resignation of Home Minister Amit Shah, calling the arrest an act of political vendetta.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट की बेंच ने यहाँ तक कह दिया कि क्यों मुख्यमंत्री के ऊपर ये कंडीशंस लगाई गई हैं कि वो सचिवालय नहीं जा सकते, फाइलें साइन नहीं कर सकते, मेरी समझ के बाहर है। मगर क्योंकि दूसरी बेंच ने ये कंडीशंस लगाई हैं, इसलिए इसके ऊपर हम ज़्यादा टिप्पणी नहीं करना चाहते हैं। कोर्ट ने साफ तौर पे कह दिया कि देश की प्रीमियर एजेंसी बदले की भावना से, कपट छल से काम कर रही है। मुझे लगता है गृह मंत्री को एक दिन भी अपनी सीट पे रहने का हक खत्म हो गया है।
केजरीवाल की बेल से जनता को कोई फायदा होने वाला नहीं है, लेकिन आम आदमी पार्टी मिठाइयां बांट रही है क्योंकि उनको जनता से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, अपने भ्रष्टाचार से लेना देना है। और मुजरिम केजरीवाल जो जेल से छूटे हैं बेल पर कंडीशंस के साथ, उनकी बेल पर खुशी मनानी है क्योंकि अल्टीमेटली तो भ्रष्टाचार हुआ है और उस भ्रष्टाचार में का फैसला आएगा तो जेल तो जाना ही है।
Kejriwal comes out of jail at a time assembly elections are taking place in Haryana. His campaign will be closely watched as AAP is contesting the elections on its own. With Kanu Sarda and Amit Bharadwaj in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.